The daughter of Senator Kiko Pangilinan has issued a public apology. When Frankie Pangilinan joined netizens in condemning the death of flight attendant Christine Dacera, she realized some of her tweets helped spread misinformation. The daughter of megastar Sharon Cuneta remained apologetic, even if some netizens confronted her online. Frankie promised to do better.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.